Have you ever seen a mud volcano? If no, you're in luck because Azerbaijan has 80% of all the mud volcanoes in the world. Let's check them out. So we are here on the viewpoint over the city of Baku. Behind me we have the flaming towers.
AKA flaming Doritos.
Yeah, underneath it there's a mosque. And right to the left it's the Baku parliament, or the Azerbaijani parliament. Okay, we saw Baku from above, so now we're going to Qobustan. Qobustan is also famous for prehistoric carvings on stone, and that's what we're gonna see now. Let's go to the museum and then we're going to the mud volcanoes. Little goatee.
Yeah. Because this is exactly at your height. You would just carve it here. That's how you carve it. Put the stick there and carve.
A lot of goats.
Goat.
A lot of maize and some
goat.
snakes. Snake.
Hard to tell what is what.
A lot of maize. See?
There's a goat.
Man, snakes and goats.
Yeah. Another one.
There's another goat here.
Another goat.
Oh my god!
Mind your head.
And here we will see a lot of different, some huge ones. You will see.
Goat. Old ancient graffiti.
Okay, play this. No reggaeton, please.
Apparently back then the sea would come all the way to this part. That's why we can also see some dolphin petroglyphs here in these rocks.
And boats.
And boats.
Yeah. Both are made for gathering rainwater, so you have some drinking stuff. See, there's water. You can wash your feet here. You can come down and drink the water like a kitty, cat. Many things you can do in this.
Can you poop?
Yeah, you can.
Squat.
Well, you can
pooping.
squat. No, it's not a toilet. Look how many holes. Look how deep they are.
Oko тялото не падла, ако скали.
Ні. Та там було.
Я sam musím.
I'm a petroglyph.
What you doing?
Does it look like a petroglyph?
No, you look like
You
retarded.
look like a retard.
Little retardation.
I don't want to be in these videos anymore.
Some reggaeton?
No.
Pit stop. Get some food in our bellies. We also have tea. What's that?
It's a vegetable perashka.
Parashka?
Perashka.
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 Perashka. Jesus. Freshly made, just for us. It just came out of the oven. Here, in a petrol station. Stop wasting battery. Very tricky road, and this is the road in good shape. Imagine it was in bad shape. So there was some serious off-roading. Don't come here when you're in your Ladas, because you will not get through unless you're a taxi driver.
I have a souvenir. So basically what happens, the poopy from inside the volcano goes up, outside the poopy, comes out the poopy, all the poopy. That's it.
Look at the size of this mud volcano. Let's just hope it doesn't erupt while I'm here.
It's just a blob of mud. Whoa! Oh, this is very satisfying. Come on. Wow, look at it. It's like a Zen garden. You can do this and make it smooth. What?
Unbelievable. Wherever there's people, there's trash.
Look at this also. Some wafers. Someone had wafers and threw them in the mud. Nice. Oh, that's good.
I don't know if you can see, but there's plastic all over the place. And keep in mind, there's not many tourists coming here, because this is a pretty inaccessible place.
Maybe next year they're gonna start putting roads here and things, right? No?
Okay, yeah, and charge
entry.
Yeah, so if this is like this with trash,
No.
I don't want to see it next year. Yeah, what a shame. Pretty unique place and just trashed all over. Well, that was it from the made volcanoes of Qobustan.